Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to fix risk of ROR 2 multiplayer not working. If you want to fix the problem, then you will need to follow some steps. For that, you have 5 options here. First, crossplay compatibility. If you are playing with friends on different platforms like Steam, Epic Game Store, ensure that crossplay is enabled in the game settings. The second option is multiplayer mode. Double check that you have selected the correct multiplayer mode friends in the game settings. The third option is server selection. If applicable, try connecting to different servers to see if it is resolved the issue. The fourth option is mods and DLC. Some mods or DLC can interfere with multiplayer functionality. Temporarily disable them and try playing without them. The fifth option is game restart. Sometimes a simple restart of the game can fix temporary glitches or connection problems. So if you find this video helpful, so make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.